What the hell? Okay, ready?
We're making a super funny video right now.
So this is like Harry, your cat, and
that is my cat. She's super good and fluffy. Look at the camera. And then she's like,
she'll be like, and let's see what she does in an earthquake. Ready?
yeah.
Here we go.
Dude, you're moving it. Stop, we're gonna have to put it back.
I will.
Plug that. She's like, holy turd.
Okay, I think that should be the end of the video.
No, it's only been 55 seconds. She's like screaming. Okay, put it back. Put it back,
this
man.
is kitty abuse.
Put it back.
Okay. He's like, what the hell is happening?
What are you doing to me? What have you done to the Perry Palace?
I don't know. What have I done? I need to fix this. I'm just gonna set it down like that. Yeah, just like kitty.
Sorry.
Sorry, Perry.
This is our kitty. Well, my kitty. He's so fluffy.
Verdi, I think that's upside down.
Oh, sorry. Whoops. The baby. It's stuff phone. It's people.
No.
There's people.
I hate you. No.
There's people. Kitty, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Kitty. No, just can you take your arm off?
No, put her back. She's angry now. Oh, it's so blurry. Sorry, I don't know. It's blurry. Look, it's blurry.
Okay, well, just then.
Where's the kitty?
Where's the catnip? I want the catnip.
Mom, where'd you put the catnip? Okay, not out there, Lucas.
Okay. So, breaking news. We are gonna get catnip. Feed a lot of it to Peter Ipantis. And see what happens.
Where's the catnip? Here's the catnip.
Yeah, just take a couple.
That's catnip.
Yeah, just take a couple leaves of
Just
it.
take the entire thing out.
Okay.
The baby! We have catnip!
Where's she going? Wait, did she run out the door?
My friend's just gonna go get the cat. We're gonna feed her some nip. This is
Okay, Verdi,
really good catnip, I think. Has a bunch of stuff on it. It's catnip.
please send a like
Where's
if you
the
like
kitty?
this video and
No,
subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to, technically it's my channel, dude.
Well, yeah, whatever.
Ah,
See you guys in
okay.
just rip it up and place it randomly on the floor.
We might have
See you in
to,
the next episode.
ow, fudge. We might have to, not show this part because I don't think my mom really wants that. Kitty! That's a lot of clothes.
No, it's everything I own.
Everything? The heck?
Well, it's all my clothing from both
Here,
closets
kitty.
and my
Kitty!
completely all emptied out into a giant pile.
And she likes it when it's crumpled up.
Okay, let's do that.
Oh, it's like,
Let me do it.
oh man, you actually balanced it. I can see your foot, Verdi.
Okay.
He's like, yeah. No, I can see your hand, sorry. I thought that was your foot.
That's good. Are my hands too big?
Yes. Wait, just give it to her.
The kitty! She's about to get super hyper.
Okay, now let's just watch. This might be a little bit long video, but still, it's my kitty cat. She's awesome.
And I am not holding the camera because...
Your,
Yeah?
Mom is going to be here any minute, honey. She's left her place.
my friend's gonna go soon.
You're all ready to go, Lucas, with all your stuff in your bag?
Kitty!
Yep.
Catnip.
Don't think she wants it right now. Let's go downstairs and end the video, baby.
Mom, can you play a little bit of Fortnite? I'm recording.
Can I play Fortnite? No.
Can we play Fortnite or Rocket League?
No,
It's a game that
because
we can play together.
Jimmy's gonna be here in like minutes.
Why? So
After.
blurry. So I can't play. Okay. It's
what the heck?
Why is it so friggin' blurry?
Yeah.
This is my sister's old room.
Oh my
That says New York. This is a nice poster. So are those. So is that one. That one. Those are pictures. A bunch of things. A bunch of cool stuff that she had. And there's that guy who just died. Ah! Come on, let's go downstairs and end. Kitty. Just kind of like a little tour of my house. I'm not going to tell you where I live because that's
Just kind of.
messed up. That's my friend. Okay, don't do that.
His name is Very Wall 793.
No. My YouTube channel's name is Verity Hammersley, man.
Verity Hammersley.
This is Catnip. Hey, it's not blurry anymore. Yeah, it's not blurry anymore. Sorry if it was blurry for most of the video.
Okay, here, that's the end of it.
Because remember, I want to watch it.